Roles of nucleoside transporters and the nucleoside analog radiotracer 3-deoxy-3, 18F, fluoroylthymidine, 18F, FLT, in PET imaging of cancer cells. By Irshad Dhamaad, Nighat Nawaz, Said Afsar, Masoud Saidijam and Simon G. Patching. The present study highlights nucleoside transporters in PET imaging of proliferating cancer cells using 3-deoxy-3-18F, fluoroylthymidine. Nucleoside transport has an important role in maintaining the hyperproliferative state of most tumors and is therefore an important target for diagnostic and therapeutic agents in the detection, treatment, and monitoring of cancers. Nucleoside transport proteins facilitate the transfer of physiological nucleosides and nucleoside analog medications across biological membranes. Nucleoside transporters are key targets for therapeutic and diagnostic drugs used in the identification, management, and surveillance of cancers. They play a significant role in the maintenance of the hyperproliferative state of tumors in cancer. The nucleoside-based probe 3-deoxy-3-18F, fluoroylthymidine, 18F, FLT, has been developed for PET imaging of proliferating cancer cells, which is less prone than to deoxy-2-18F, fluorodiglucose, 18F, FDG, to non-specific effects. 18F, FLT enters proliferating cells through nucleoside transporters, then becomes phosphorylated and blocks DNA synthesis, whilst also becoming trapped inside the cell. Practicable and automated chemical synthesis of 18F, FLT have been developed, for which the most widely used radiolabeling precursor is the thymidine derivative 3-N-bok-5-dimethoxy-3-thiol-3-onozylthymidine. Competitive cellular inhibition experiments with 18F, FLT suggested an involvement of HENT2, in addition to HENT1, in the uptake of 18F, FLT in breast cancer cells, and also an involvement of HCNT1 and HCNT2. Further studies are required to investigate the potential role of HENT2 as a biomarker for breast cancer and to identify HENT2 specific inhibitors in targeted breast cancer therapy. 18F, FLT PET imaging has undergone feasibility studies and has been assessed in preclinical and clinical studies for the detection and diagnosis of various types of cancers and in monitoring their response to treatments. The roles of nucleoside transporters, especially ENT1, in the cellular uptake of 18F, FLT have been investigated. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.